Hey guys, so I wanted to try that viral, I want to say Jimmy John's pickle sandwich. And since I don't have any big pickles, I figured I would do like something a little different, but in the same vein. Right here, I have some oven roasted turkey breast. I typically don't do the deli meats, but husband had gotten some on sale. And I'm like, I'm going to help eat this. And what better way to do it than to try this viral. I saw it on TikTok. It looks so delicious. And I'm actually putting some mayonnaise on here. Just rolling in. I'm making it like a roll. And the turkey is just going to envelop the ingredients because, you know, I think I put too much mayo. Okay, well, we'll just put that off to the side. And then I like cracked pepper. I like pepper, a lot of it. A little bit more. Okay, all right. That'll do it for now. And then I'm going to just lay some pickles on here. And I figured because it's a pickle sandwich, I need quite a few pickles. I love pickles on with different things, especially if it's something that's kind of rich in flavor. And then I'm going to also lay on onions. I love raw onions. And I don't know what kind of program that any of you might be on, but this probably fits any of them. It probably works well with any of them because there is no bread flour. Now I'm going to put tomatoes. Where's the rest of my tomato at? Okay. I'm just going to do that. Wish me luck with this rolling thing. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know if I'm overdoing it. I don't know. Now, more pickles on top. More pickles, just to show you what that's looking like. I think I want to put some mustard, too. But before I add the mustard, I'm going to just put a little bit of Parmesan cheese across the top, just a little bit. If you don't like pickles, then you can use cucumbers and maybe some vinegar. It might be a different flavor, but it's probably delicious. I'm just saying. And maybe not put too many cucumbers because cucumbers can take over, because I don't know what it is. They just take over. And I'm going to put some mustard. I do like mustard. Not too much. Okay. Okay, now, I don't know. I'm going to attempt to roll this. I might have messed up. I might have to open face this, y'all. I don't know. Let me see. Let me get my hands in there. Okay. And just roll it. What did I do? I'm just going to do it like that. I'm pretending like it's something else. I'm pretending like it's not thin turkey slices. Okay. That's good already. Now I'm just going to cut. I'm going to cut a piece. Let me get some paper towel. You know it's got to be good. It can't help but to be good. But I'm going to cut. I think I'm going to just cut little sections like that. You can get your life with little meals like this. You can eat without the guilt, right? And if you don't like lunch meat, if you're against the lunch meat thing, I understand. Trust it. Then do some real meat. Get your turkey. Roast your turkey breast and slice it thin if that's what you can do. Now, I'm going to attempt to turn the camera so you can see me bite into this to see how I like it. Okay, here we go. Let me see if I can do it. Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me. Can you? Oh. It's falling apart, y'all. Yeah, wait.